Well, good morning. Long day yesterday to replace an alternator in my car. Is it really $500 to replace an alternator? If you're a mechanic, let me know. This is from 9 to 5 Google. Google is working with Mongolia to provide Chromebooks to all its students and teachers. Very nice. They're also using Chrome OS Flex to extend the life of expired Macs and PCs. Nice. From Fox News, Thunderbird Reborn, much awaited Thunderbird 115 Supernova is here with a stunning makeover. I use Thunderbird. I don't know if it's stunning, but it works very well in both Linux and Windows. From theregister.com, middleweight champ MX Linux 23 delivers knockout punch. Debian 12 based. I have used middleweight champ Linux, MX Linux in the past. Don't know if it's the champ. It is lightweight. It is fairly easy to use. And yeah, I enjoyed using it very much. PCMag.com Google Chrome OS review has an excellent article. And guess what? They rated Chrome OS excellent. The bottom line, Chrome OS offers an inexpensive way to browse the web and run apps, with some Android apps also. While it's not for power users or gamers, true, it's a great choice for students and casual computer users. Well, casual computer users is most of the world, I think. All right, that's it for this Linux News Quickie. I need to pick up my car today, I hope. Man, $500 for an alternator. Ciao.